Yeah, this is where the diving board was.
I thought it was where they put their
So there's a foot of concrete here.
Yep. I thought it was just where they could reach with their shoe.
Yeah, that's got to be at least 4, 8, 10 inches. The rest of it came out with the little mini. A broken hydraulic hose now. We're gonna need to get that fixed though. That was fun. That was, I'm guessing what happened was there was a big giant void under the patio and they did some kind of like flowable fill to try to fill the void.